What's up guys, FixAlex here. Today I'm installing rear shocks from 89 Corvette, Chevy Corvette. Why? Because it's twice cheaper than original shocks. So this shock is OEM and online it's like 80 bucks. This is Corvette shock and it's $38 on Amazon today on March 2021. In order to install them, you're gonna need some sleeves. This is the bottom sleeve. As you can see, this, pay attention to the size. Make sure it's 12 by 16. How long, it doesn't matter for you, you can cut it always. So for the bottom, you're gonna need two of them. As you can see, I already put two of them on the bottom. And this is the top one. The size for the top one is from 12 millimeters to 10 millimeters, and they 10 millimeter long. So on top I put 4 of them. Okay, now the other thing that I noticed, you also gonna need the top bolt. Probably there is 2 options, because the top sleeve on original shock is shorter than on the Corvette one. So I'm gonna show you in a second. Where is my, this is the original, and this is, as you can see, 32 mil, and this is Corvette. This is 42 mil. As you can see, it's 10 millimeter difference. So 2 options: you buy a longer bolt, or you cut 5 millimeters or more. I'm gonna just cut it because I don't have the long bolt enough. And pretty much simple, guys. This is the tool that you're gonna need. 17 millimeter to remove the wheel, 15 for the bottom bolt, and 14 for the bottom and 15 for the top bolt. This is the bolt. As you can see, it's like a star shape, but 14 should be good to remove it. You're gonna ask me if I notice any difference in performance. Of course, goddamn, I'm gonna notice the difference. You see my top bushing on my OEM shock. So pretty much simple, guys, nothing crazy. If you can replace the tire, you can do the shocks too. Very simple, just 2 bolts on top, on the bottom, and just make sure you're gonna have this bolt. This is the threads is 1.25 12 millimeter. I'm not sure, I'm not gonna tell you that, but anyway, I might post it in the video description. So this is the and that's it, guys, I guess. What else should I say? I don't know. So the bottom, by the way, the bottom is shorter, 2 millimeters shorter than the OEM. I'm gonna show you in a second. So this is the OEM. I think it's 42 millimeters or 44. Yeah, it's 44. And this one is 42. I mean, it's anyway, it's 42. Yes, as you can see, it's 42. And then it's super simple, guys. 15 millimeter on top, 14 on the bottom, and that's it. By the way, this is the part number for the shock. All right, don't forget to put some grease on your bolts, guys. There is a grease inside. I put some grease in my house, so okay, that's it. All right. I'm gonna put some tension on suspension. It's good to have 2 jacks, guys. With one you're gonna leave the car, and with second one you're gonna leave the suspension. Don't forget to put the stands, because the safety is most important stuff. Nobody needs your dead body, so think about safety first. By the way, it's not necessary to remove the caliper. I was doing some stuff. By the way, check your bearings also, guys. This is dry bearing. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon. Bye.